Los Angeles, February 22nd, 2025. Bollywood's enigmatic beauty Nargis Fakhri has once again captured hearts, but this time not on the silver screen. Whispers of a secret wedding has taken over the internet with leaked images fueling the mystery. Has the rock star actress finally found her forever love? A love hidden in the shadows. In an era of grand celebrity weddings, Nargis and her rumored beau, Tony Bake, chose secrecy over spectacle. A viral Reddit post claims the couple exchanged vows in an intimate Los Angeles ceremony, surrounded by only their closest ones. A towering 10-tier cake inscribed with Happy Married Life and the initials TB and NF has set social media ablaze, leaving fans eager to answer. A silent promise, no photos, no announcements. While no official confirmation has come from the couple, the clues are undeniable. A sparkling diamond ring on Nargis' hand in one of the leaked pictures speaks louder than words. Reports suggest the wedding enforced a strict no-photo policy, but love finds a way, and so did the snapshots. A honeymoon in paradise. As the world spectacles, Nargis and Tony seem to be basking in marital bliss. The actress' Instagram story showcased breathtaking Swiss landscape, and Tony's post perfectly aligned, hinting at a dreamy honeymoon in the Alps. One particular video of Nargis aboard a scenic train ride has only added to the speculations. Meet the man who stole Nargis' heart. Tony Beg, a Kashmiri entrepreneur, is no stranger to success. Son of former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Inspector General Shakil Ahmed Beg, Tony has made a name for himself in the business world as the founder of Dios Group, a global enterprise spanning Los Angeles, London, Dubai, and beyond. Love knows no age. Nargis, born in 1979, is 5 years senior to Tony, who was reportedly born in 1984. But in the matters of love, numbers are mere dates. The rumored union is a testament to the timeless nature of true romance. Will they reveal their love story? The world watches and waits. Will Nargis and Tony step into the spotlight and confirm their love story? Or will they let their romance remain a beautiful mystery? One thing is certain, love in all its secrecy has never been more captivating.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.